Like, wait,
she likes to crawl on these mats.
Alright, so we might need to go back. We'll see. We might need to go back. I'd be curious to see this stuff.
A box.
You like boxes.
Go, dear. Just have to be careful here. Because boxes have hard corners. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Congratulations.
Yay!
You just did a box doodle. Yay!
You can sit in the box. Look. It's an alley in a box. Come back.
We put a doodle in a box.
Whoa. Go again. Can we go again? Number 2. Yes, number 2. Yes, I count everything. I am the count. Shh. I love to count. Let's go down. You can do it there. Where's Mama? Let's walk to Mama.
Allie.
Come on, Allie.
Allie Doodles.
Good job, Doodle.
Yay!
Cool, Doodle. Yay!
Nice.
That was so cool.